welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be breaking down Dxy and Gu as usual and also telling you what to expect this coming week. So without wasting much time, let's jump into it. Now we're starting from Dxy. As you can see, Dxy on the weekly time frame, price is still moving bullish. We're still on a bullish trend on the weekly time frame. Price created higher high over here, came down to create higher low, went upwards to create another higher high, came down, created higher low, broke this previous high, created another higher high. Now as you can see, price is coming down as a retracement on the weekly time frame. So let's mark up our weekly time frame. We have this level over here on our weekly. We also have this level over here. Then we have this the recent high over here. So now that we know that weekly is on the is on a bullish trend, let's move to the daily. Let's see what we have on the daily. On the daily, if you look at the daily, price was creating higher high, came down here, created higher low, went up here. This, as you can see, this previous high was taken out on the daily. So mark this place as a high, creating this low before creating this high. Now as you can see over here, price just broke below this previous higher low. So we can say daily is on a downtrend right now because since price broke this previous higher low. So we can simply say daily is on a downtrend. So on the daily time frame, we are bearish. And also another thing you can see right here is this trend line over here. Let me draw it quickly. I have this trend line over here, which price broke out also. That is another confirmation to tell us that DSY is on a bearish trend on daily. Now moving to the 4 hours. Moving to the 4 hours. Let's see what we have on the 4 hours. In the 4 hours, same thing over here. Price has been created this higher, came down here, created this, did retracement. Now we just broke below this previous low over here. So I'll be expecting a retracement to this place here before price going down. That's another thing I can expect on DXY. But before any other thing, let's map out our 4 hours levels. We have this place over here. Let's start with this. Of this place which price has tested multiple times. And we also have this. Let me shift this a little bit. Perfect. So this is what we have on the 4 hours. Now last week the price didn't really move anywhere. We're ranging at this level over here. So what I'm expecting this week, therefore I'm expecting price could retrace upwards, break this previous high, this high here, come down here before moving upwards. Or you could see something like this. Let me move to the 2 hours so we can see it clearly. And you could see something like this. Price breaking this level over here, testing it before going downwards. So that's what I'll be expecting on DXY. So before I retreat, I will wait for either these levels to be breaking out, to be taken out before I buy. Because if you see over here, we're having a heads and shoulders pattern over here, so we can easily break this place, retest this the neckline before moving upwards to test the weekly area, or we can test this, go back to this place, take out the liquidity at this level here because we're having equal highs here before moving downwards, breaking this previous lows over here, this previous low over here before retesting it and going down. So that's what I have on DXY. That's my analysis on DXY. So just have to be patient and wait and see where DXY is about to go. But remember, daily is on the downtrend, 4 hours is on the downtrend. So if we were to catch this move, any move upwards, it should just be a retracement move upwards to this place. That's where we're going to take our TP. Yeah. Or if market break this level over here, then we're going to sell downwards. So let's move to GU. Let's see what we have on GU. Let me clear this up. On GU, let's start on the monthly on GU. Now on GU on monthly, we can see this level which price broke below. Now the price has come to test this level. You can see this monthly level. Price has been rejecting from here. Then previously that was on August, price broke below. Now we can see price coming upwards to test this level before going downward. So let's move to the weekly. Let's see what we have on the weekly. On the weekly, price is still bearish. You can see over here creating lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, came down, created this lower low, now coming upward to create a lower high before going downwards. So on GU weekly time frame we're bearish. But let's mark up our weekly first of all. Remember, weekly I use purple when marking up my weekly so I can know the difference between weekly areas and other time frame areas. Perfect. Now that we're done with the weekly, let's move to the daily. Let's see what we have in daily. Remember on the daily, this is still our higher, our lower high that created this lower low over here. Let me move this. So we're having this coming down towards as an impulsive move. Now we can see the retracement upwards before going downwards. So on the daily time frame, we are still bearish. But remember, retracement takes longer than the actual impulsive move. That's why you can see over here, we're having this zigzag over here. Price is making zigzag as a retracement pattern. Now, let's mark up our daily. Let's see what we have on the daily. We have this level on the daily. Perfect. Now that we're done marking up our daily, let's move to the 4 hours. Let's see what we have on the 4 hours. The 4 hours, remember on the 4 hours we're bullish on the 4 hours since we're retracing. Price created higher high, came here, higher low, created higher high, higher low, now creating on the higher high. But remember in the higher time frame we're bearish. So what I'll be expecting this week since the XY is at a crucial level. Let me mark up this 4 hours level. Perfect. Now, what I'll be expecting this coming week, you can see price has been trading on in this range for a while. So what I'll be expecting will be this. I want price to break above. I need to see two 4 hours candle to break above this place, retest, then move upwards. Or I want to see price break below this weekly area, retest, then move towards this daily support. As well, I'll be taking my TP. Yeah. So that is what I'm expecting on GU this coming week. Remember, we also have this small area here, this small area of support and resistance over here. So if I was to take any buys, I will put my break whenever price retest this place come down. If I was to enter here, I'll make sure that once I enter here and I'm in profit towards this level, I'm going to put my trade in break even because price can easily reject from there and still go downwards. So that's what I'll be expecting on GU. Easily something like this. Price break upwards, retest this place. Stop loss below this support and resistance. TP at this weekly area. Immediately price reach this place, I'm putting it in break even. On break even, let it ride. Or if it comes down, I wait for price to break below this weekly support. We test it before going downwards to this daily support. So that's what I'll be doing this coming week. So if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, I see you. Peace.